Many organizations struggle with managing planned maintenance schedules and ensuring compliance with regulatory standards. The result? Financial risks, operational inefficiencies, hidden faults, and even legal consequences. Introducing ProAstra, a powerful web-based asset management platform that makes it easy to track, maintain, and prove compliance across your network. ProAstra integrates NFC technology, enabling instant on-site reporting with just a tap. Each asset is assigned a unique NFC tag, personalized with your company logo and a dedicated URL, directly linking it to a digital record in the system. Simply scan the tag with any NFC-enabled smartphone or tablet to report on planned maintenance, or a reactive fault for instant on-site reporting, or as a designated location for performing daily, weekly, or monthly checks, all in real time. This proximity-based scanning not only simplifies inspections, but also ensures proof of attendance, creating a verifiable audit trail with every visit. ProAstra takes the guesswork out of asset management with smart reminders, customizable thresholds, and automated alerts. Plan routine maintenance, instantly report faults, extend warranties, or allocate budgets as assets approach the end of their life cycle, all from one central hub. ProAstra's custom automated reporting delivers scheduled insights straight to your inbox, tailored to what report you need, ensuring the right people always have the right data at the right time. With ProAstra, asset management becomes simpler, smarter, and fully compliant. Whether you're overseeing equipment, facilities, or service locations, ProAstra delivers the tools you need and the confidence your business deserves. ProAstra. Smarter assets, smarter spaces, one tap at a time.